Mundu umwe ula wa kilalinda na wakitiongo siandu kutoa kiveti Musungu nuthikiwe twiyo kyathini kimwe kinene kila kinatwaiiwe na utanu munene wa kutania thayu unekalitwe nesa vandu kyeva. John Kimuyu anatiwe ni thayu wake chumwani kimwe kivitu kumana na uwo wa stroke ena ukuu wa miaka 87 kyathi cha kumumasia Kimuyu musieni kwake kauntini ya Makueni kinaeteteva kuvi anana na andu mamusisivo siana siake 13 kuma mitwano esukuwe miongweli na nzukulu nana. Kennedy Molinge nukutuelezea.
Kati wandu ala mevikite kuya na kuthika Mutumia John Kimuyu utuini wa Kalimani Darajani Kibwezi East County ya Makueni ni mwetu wake wa mbendi nda Kimuyu ula wikala nthia London.
My father gave me life 3 times. I was born through him, and then when I was very small here, I became very sick, and they took me to hundreds of hospitals and they couldn't heal me. And in the end, my dad carried me to a convent where the nuns actually healed me and I was saved. And the 3rd time was when we had to flee Kenya. My father made the biggest sacrifice to send us with our mother to the UK, knowing he might never see us again.
Ndini wa ukusi wa thayu waki ondala mevikite mathikoni ma Mutumia Kimuyu ni mewiundu wesilema ukililo maingi thayu no wake muwasa. Kwambie muini vala wambie kulekelo ni andu mamukono wake mbe wa kutuka kilalinda na ukuu wa miaka 2 tina wakukwato ni uwo wakavinda. School no wathika school for the blind eno ukuwa katikati wa mwika Kimuyu ni wendanie na Ruth Oloway ula wa mwalimu wake wa kumusombea mauya mamoko. Va Pastor Simon Moviti ula wa monana wa vakuvi wa mototia Kimuyu itoelesya Musungu o Ruth Oloway tawe wa ngonzeo.
We were learning together. He got married to our teacher. That teacher was Ruth Holloway, a European girl. Holloway from England. She was a very good handicraft teacher. Nilikuwa nitaka kuoa Musungu, alafu mama yangu akaniambia sitaki mtu ambao sifahamu lugha yake. Na nikaona nikimwoa pengine nitapata laana. Kama si hivyo, yule anjoni angenitafuta mwingine.
Ndindane wandikite vuku yulwa mutono wasi makililo dhitete The Color of Love dhile kathite mitona kato wa sungu na ndo ayum.
There are many lessons to be picked from my father. But from my father's and mother's union, it was love, absolutely love. They say love is blind, and it truly was with my parents. My mother never forgot and respected my father. She's been passed now 28 years, and I know she's waited for this day so she can be reunited with him. He had 3 wives, and so there are 3 families, and we are all united.
Mutuano usulo ambisi mwakani wangiliume manakena na miongo 5 na kenda wa dhile tino wa miaka 3 ila ni mwakani wangiliume manakena na miongo 35. Valet na Ruth wosiesi na ila masieta na Kimuyu hevondinda wendo Kimuyu na Elizabeth Kimuyu na aito amuingo. Mwakani wangiliume manakena na miongo 11 Kimuyu na watoye melika katuota vala vau katikati wa ayato ite Sara munainde matiana kwa itumite kueleka. Vaki Kimuyu wa thukuma wia wako kunithia simu maofisini ma polisi musini wa Ilovi ayana ambisia kuendewa nekisio cha Kalimani vala wauye kitheka na aka musie. Vala wekala mavinda maingi ilote Ilovi vala atoimake masane wa undu Mutumia kilalinda wai atona kuthauka meyo ya wathi.
John nuoka maskulu ni muno kwa mfano nasomea Kambu Primary School na nuoka skulu kuka ku athauka na mweta wa accordion tasiana nini twewa mwe muno kuona John aithauka musical instrument kana machine ya wathi atekwa na mbi na nutembete maskulu maingi muno na kuthuthia ana amuika aingi na ni watu basia kana ethea we mwene no ndona kukuna accordion na ndekwa na mbi na owe ula ukona mbi na ndukuna ona kala kana mogeda waka flute kana o kala ona gitaa ndukuna na wene ndi na we mwene ndona ndi ndukuna accordion ko isunu waruthia muno na no isomo muno kwa andu ingi motoi na ciana mbingi ile twasoma na cio kana disability is not inability.
Ona kutuika Mutumia Kimuyu oneka ta kilalinda ndenda ona vanini kuoneka ta chonze.
He didn't want to be recognized as a disabled person because he used to say disability is not inability. So he's able, he can do anything, he can do everything for himself. And that is how he lived. He used to try many things. And he used, even in the river, he used to cross the river alone. When there is placed some stones in the river, he used to go through them all and crosses the river because he didn't believe losing sight can make him not to do anything.
Mathiko ala mevikitwo ni andu ingi me savale ya muthia mutumia kimuyu vayo luwa nthi indi ciana ciake ni cieyavie kuendecia isitwa ya kimuyu.
My name, Kuthyumu'Wa, my surname. We all in the UK have retained that with our children and our grandchildren, and I'm very, very proud to hold on to that name. It is who we are. We are the tribe of the poison arrow, my mother used to say, which is what the name meant. Whether that is true or not, it doesn't matter. It's our part of belonging here.
Ndilivotia Mutongo TV kuma Kalimani, Darajani, Kibwezi kauntini ya Makueni. Nyeneta wa Ken Mulinge.